G'day. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 3 things you absolutely have to do before you go and make an offer on a property. Number 1, do your budget. Budget is a horrible word. We all hate it, right? Because it sounds like this monkey on our shoulder telling us what to do. But in essence, a budget is empowering. In fact, we call it a money menu, right? Because there's a whole selection of things on there that you can add or you can take off, and it forms the figure at the bottom, which is your usable amount that you get each month. A budget is super important before you go and make an offer on a property. Number 2, get your finance pre-approved, right? Pre-approvals come and go and the market changes with what banks do and don't say, but you've got to go and see your broker and get an idea of what you can actually borrow. Even if you've done a budget and say that I can spend $3,000 a month on this property, the bank still has to agree with you, right? They have to say that, well, you're not going to go and party every weekend, or you've got to get rid of your 16 car payments or your 5 credit cards or whatever it might be. You've got to clean yourself up in that way before you go and make an offer on property. Don't wait till you've got a contract and then go to your broker. That is way, way too stressful, and it is totally the wrong way to go about doing things. You've got to get that knowledge up front before you make an offer. And lastly, you've got to have your WOW team or your support team, right? Kind of cliche, trendy name, whatever, but these are people like your broker, your accountant, your solicitor, your building inspector, your pool inspector, whatever it else is that you need to make sure that transaction is completely hassle-free, because transactions have hassles, right? And there will be a problem, and you need that team of professionals around you to make sure that you don't get caught out by these problems, and some of them you have no control over. The best way for you to be in control is to have those 3 things in place. That's it from me, and this is 2 Minutes Tops.